Hello, Yu-Gi-Oh fans. It's Lady of the Lake again with another opening video. So I have a new wind-up Zenmaister tin. Well, new because it's still in the shrink wrap, but these are from 2011. And I'm going to crack it open, see what's inside the packs. Also hit that follow and like button. It really helps me out and shows me that you want to see more of these. So it's all sealed, ready to go. Just gonna peel this off. Shrink wrap's actually the most challenging part of it. So once again, you get a little booklet telling you. Oh, this is when the Legendary Collection 2 came out as well. Telling you about the new XC's Generations Force. And this is right when XC's first came out. So I've got a little promo pack. Cut off the very top of it. And I made sure that I bought one with Pot of Duality because I wanted to get that. So we have Wind Up Zenmaister. For the promo, have Neopar Shath, the Sky Paladin. Archlord Christia, which is one of the ones that I really wanted to get. I still have yet to collect the secret rare from Stardust Overdrive of it. Here's Elemental Hero Gaia and Pot of Duality. Put the lid over her. Get these out. Need the plastic tray anyway. So I'm going to go and do the Hidden Arsenal 4s first. These older packs are a lot harder to open for some reason. And in the last video where I was opening one similar to this, it was kind of difficult to do as well. So they show the secret right off the bat. So Naturia, White Oak, Dragoonity. So this is when I guess Dragoonities were introduced. Corseska. Got another Dragoonity. Pilm. Naturia Ladybug. And Naturia Ragweed. On to the next one. And these feel kind of like they're a little warped too, because it's a little bit of a bend. So got a Gen X Ally Tri-Arm. The Fabled Ganashia. Naturia Ladybug. I kind of gave it away. 2 Gen X's. Gen X Ally. Kim something. Sorry. Gen X Ally Crusher. Chemister. I'll figure out how to say that later. Some of these are just... So on to a Storm of Ragnarok. I have to pinch the top of the pack in order to open these as well. So, to start off, Divine Wind of the Mist Valley, Needle Ball, Token Stampede. Tokens in attack position gain 1000 attack and cannot be destroyed by battle. That's actually pretty neat. Blackwing, Kalima the Haze. Oh, I got a legendary 6 Samurai. Kageki. That is so neat. Bloodsucker. Tyrant's Tirade. Top Runner. And what key? Face up Watt monsters. Monsters you control can attack your opponent directly this turn. On to the next Storm of Ragnarok. Can we get a holofoil other than what was in the Hidden Arsenal? Just gotta really like put my strength into it and just like... Oh my gosh, with these older packs, they just weren't kidding around. It's like newer packs, I can just like... just tear them open easily. So have Zero Force, Nordic Relic, Brisingamen, or Brisingamen, Scrap Shark, Karakuri Gold Dust, which is a really good common. March Towards Ragnarok, so got another rare. Select one face up. A seer monster you control until the end phase of this turn is unaffected by effects of spell trap cards. Oh, I got a holofoil. Vortex the Whirlwind. So you do get it with a rare if you get it. When this card is destroyed by battle and sent to the graveyard, you can special summon one level 4 or lower winged beast type monster from your deck. So it's neat that I got a holofoil, yes. Tyrant's Tirade, Top Runner, and another Watt here. Have Extreme Victory. Once again, I gotta pinch the top of it. Kind of feels like a thicker pack, so I might get something. TG Werewolf. Sealing Ceremony of Mokuton. Force Resignator. Red Dragon Vase. TGX3 TX2. Oh, no foil. Oh wells. At least I got my Vortex the Whirlwind. Scarlet Security. Jar Turtle. And Out of the Blue. And that concludes this tin opening video. To do a recap of the most valuable cards that I got from this tin. I got that Vortex card, which is pretty neat to get. I got Kageki, which I think is just as good as a holo foil for me. I like any of the legendary 6 Samurai cards. And these are the holofoils I got from the Hidden Arsenal. Pot of Duality, which was pretty popular. Elemental Hero Gaia, Archlord Krissa, New Parshath, and the Wind-Up Zenmaister. I enjoyed this tin opening. I hope you did as well. I will have many other opening videos to come, and I will also show off pieces of my collection in some videos, because I just completed all of the holofoils for the Legend of Blue Eyes. They're all unlimited edition, but still pretty neat to get all of those. So stay tuned. If you liked it, please hit the like button for this video and follow me, and I will catch you all later. This is Lady of the Lake. Peace out.